have spent numerous hours researching hundreds of user reviews to bring you this best-rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
The Earthwise 20-inch reel mower cuts a path 20 inches wide, glides smoothly on 10-inch wheels, and mows grass from 1 to 2¼ inches high. The 20-inch Earthwise reel mower is easy to assemble out of the box, and the lightweight design means you can maneuver well on uneven ground and hang it on a wall when the job is done. The Earthwise reel mower uses precision-cut blades to cut each blade of grass cleanly with a scissor-like action. Earthwise reel mowers are quiet, safe, lightweight, non-polluting, clean cutting, and a healthy way to keep your lawn looking great.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.